Past perfect tense 過去完成式。完咗呢段片，如果你答到兩條問題呢，咁就叫達標啦。第一 ，past perfect tense 個 form 係點嘅呢？佢 positive、negative 同埋 questions 個 form 分別係點呢？ Number 2 uses 佢嘅用處係點樣呢？點樣用嘅呢？ Examples 呢一句啦，我假設係2024年嘅你哋講噶啦。I wish I had studied hard in Form 3。我真係好希望我中三嘅時候有勤力讀書啊。2023呢個呢，假設係2023年嘅你哋講嘅喎。If only I had listened to Miss Leung。如果嗰陣時有聽到 Miss Leung 講就好啦。2027 2027年你哋講噶啦，嗰時可能你哋已經中六咯喎。If Leo had worked hard, he would have entered the university。如果 Leo 佢有勤力到嘅話，佢可能已經入咗大學啦。好，你見到呢頭嗰三句嘅用法都係好似表達一啲後悔嘅，冇錯啦，就係 regret。我哋好多時用 past perfect tense 呢去表達一啲翻唔到轉頭嘅嘢。Next, John said that they have finished all the food in 5 minutes。阿 John 話佢哋呢喺5分鐘裏面已經食晒所有嘢啦。好，呢一個嘅用法呢，你見到 said that 呢個呢就喺 reported speech 裏面用嘅。呢個呢亦都係 past perfect tense 常見嘅用法。The next one, Zoe had died before the ambulance arrived。Zoe喺救護車嚟之前已經死咗啦。好，咁呢個用法呢，其實就係 talk about the earlier past action。嗱，你見到呢有兩個動詞㗎，一個係 arrived，一個係 had died。呢個係 past tense， 呢個係 past perfect tense。咁我哋係講緊一件過去嘅事，而係講緊話早啲嗰件事呢，我哋嗰個動詞呢就會用 past perfect tense 啦。好，嚟個總結啦。咁用 past perfect tense 呢，通常係講 regret。如果用 regret 呢，我哋通常會同用 I wish 一齊用啦 ，if only 一齊用啦，同埋 if type 3 conditional。咁啊，另外一個用法就係 reported speech 間接敘述句。第三個用處呢，係 talk about the earlier action in the past， 講喺過去呢嗰個早啲嗰個動作。咁通常呢係有兩個動作嘅，一個早啲就用 past perfect， 冇咁早嗰個呢就用 past。咁通常會同 before 啊 after 嗰啲字眼一齊用噶。好，咁個 form 又係點呢？我哋有個 slogan 噶，就係 had plus pp。had 再加 pp，pp 呢就其實係 past participle， 係啦，過去分詞，係 verb table 嘅第三行。Example, I wish I had studied hard in Form 3。咁你見到啦，呢個就係 had plus pp。呢個呢唔好以為係 past tense 喎，呢個係 past participle 嚟㗎。好啦，咁啊，同學仔，咩叫 past participle 呢？我哋睇下 verb table 先。Go, went, gone 入邊個 gone。See, saw, seen seen。Forget, forgot, forgotten 個 forgotten。冇錯啦 ，verb table 嘅第三行就係 past participle， 而 past perfect tense 係 had plus pp。had 再加 past participle。Negative not。咁否定句又點呢？我哋會喺 had 同埋 past participle 中間加個 not。Example, I wish I had not forgotten her name。真係好希望冇忘記到佢個名啊！咁即係佢忘記咗，但係冇辦法啦吓。Questions， 咁如果係用 past perfect tense 嚟寫 question 又點呢？ Example, Had you turned off the oven before you went to bed？喂，你瞓覺之前呢，你有冇熄到個火啊？有冇熄到個爐啊？ So you see, had you turned。嗱，咁我哋平時呢就係 subject I had turned。咁你轉 question 嘅時候呢，你可以想像將個 had 擺咗喺前面。OK？ You had turned 變成 had you turned. Had you turned off the oven before you went to bed? Time for practice. Let's use past perfect tense to finish this. Number 1. Michael had plus PP. Had, go, when's gone. Gone, had gone back to China before the New Year. Number 2. Alex, not right. Had plus PP. Had not written. 留意啦 ，write wrote written 個 written 係 W-R-I-T-T-E-N， 因為有好多同學呢就寫咗 T-E-N 㗎。我重複 W-R-I-T-T-E-N write wrote written。好，咁自己留意咯。Number 3. Matthew wishes he not spent had not spent S-P-E-N-T。嗱，亦都有好多同學咧以為就咁加 ED 噶，變成 spended。嗱，唔係啊 ，spent 係 S-P-E-N-T 啊。Number 4. Mum speak to her before she died。嗱，留意呢個 question 嚟噶，咁所以咧唔係 Mum has spoken 啊，係 had Mum spoken had Mum spoken to her before she died。好，最尾 summary， 我哋今日講咗 past perfect tense， 佢嗰個 form 係 had plus pp。我會用 examples 嚟記下佢嘅 positive、negative 同埋 question 嘅 form。I wish I had studied hard in Form 3 had 再加 pp。加 not 又點呢？ I wish I had not forgotten her name。個 not 加喺 had 同埋 pp 中間。Had you turned off the oven before you went to bed? Question 呢就將個 had 擺咗喺個 subject 前面。好，咁我哋 past perfect tense 就講到嚟呢度啦，拜拜。